Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will explain the main parameter settings of the EPS cutting line. The parameters can be divided into 4 parts. The first part is the setting of work parameters. The parameters on this page will be fully set by engineers when assembling and testing at the customer's factory. Generally, the operator does not need to adjust them after they are set. The second and third parts are the most frequently used. The second part is the cutting parameters. We need to set the number of EPS blocks, the height of the blocks, and the height of the waste skin. The purpose is to cut off the appropriate waste. The blue area below is the thickness and number of hanging the cutting wire to be produced. It should be noted that vertical cutting wire and cross-cutting to down cut the EPS boards require manual hanging of the cutting wires by operators. The third part is the packaging and stacking parameters. The left half is the 4-side EPS packaging machine, and the right half is the stacking machine. Both machines have their own electrical control box. However, for the convenience of the operator, the main console is serially connected with them in the program for key parameter setting. The fourth part is the setting of the cutting quantity. There is a setting for the cutting quantity in the lower left corner. For the same batch of EPS blocks, we only need to enter the block quantity. In the upper left corner, there is the quantity of EPS block cut on the day and the cumulative quantity of EPS block cut. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.